What if every single person on Earth sneezed at the exact same time? Each sneeze generates force, a little puff of air. But what happens when you combine billions of them? Surprisingly, the combined force wouldn't be nearly as dramatic as you might think. It's similar to a gentle breeze. We're talking way less powerful than even a Category 1 hurricane. It wouldn't shift continents or cause major weather events. The biggest impact wouldn't be physical. It would be auditory. Imagine the loudest achoo the world has ever heard. A negligible push, but a global achoo. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool science facts.